Side hustles you can start on your phone in 2026, legit and beginner friendly. Let's go. If all you have is your phone and Wi-Fi, you can still make money in 2026. In this video, I'm breaking down real side hustles you can start with your phone, no laptops, no degree, no big following. I'll also tell you exactly where to start. Let's dive in. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Salua. I have been working remotely for the last 8 years, and now I teach people how to make money online so they can work from anywhere. Side hustle number 1 that you can do on your phone is UGC Creator. UGC means user generated content. This means brands pay you to create content for them. They care about how natural you look on camera, how clearly you explain a product, and how the video feels, not your follower counts. That's the biggest misconceptions. UGC creators typically get paid anywhere between $50 to $300 per video. If you're wondering where to start, there's reputable platform online like Incense, Modash, Trend.io, and Brands Meet Creator. Side hustle number 2 that you can do on your phone is Game Tester. Yes, I said it. You are getting paid to play games on your phone. Yes, people really get paid to test games, but not how TikTok shows it. This is not about playing games for fun. You are testing them. So you're a game tester. You are paid to test mobile games, find bugs, and give feedbacks on the user experience. You're evaluating the game, not just playing it. It usually pays around between $10 to $25 an hour. Sometimes it pays you per test. Legit platforms to start with include Playtest Cloud, User Testing, Beta Family, and GameTester.gg. Side hustle number 3 is DM and comment management or admin work. If you can reply to messages, you can get paid online. This is admin work, very similar to virtual assistant tasks. You basically help creator or businesses manage their DM, you reply to comments, and you answer basic customer questions. It's beginner friendly and it's completely phone-based. It usually pays between $15 to $30 an hour. You can find these gigs inside Facebook groups for virtual assistant, for example, on Fiverr, or by reaching out directly to creators and Shopify brands. Side hustle number 4 is chat and email support, no calls. If you hate phone calls, this one is for you. Many companies are moving away from phone support. Now they hire people who can handle live chat, email support, and sometimes community moderations. If you can write clearly and stay calm, you qualify. It pays usually between $18 to $30 an hour, and these jobs are commonly found on SaaS company career pages, remote job boards, and within Shopify brands. Side hustle number 5 is digital product reselling. You don't need to create a product to sell online, you are going to resell. So with digital product reselling, you promote existing product like a template, planner, or a guide. It's a little bit like UGC before digital product. There's no inventory or shipping. Income can range anywhere from $100 to $2,000 a month, depending on consistency. And you can find these products to resell on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, StanStore, or Payhip. Side hustle number 6 is microtask and AI support. This is quiet, online money most people ignore. Companies pay people to review AI response, to label content, and moderate data. There's no selling and no camera involved. It usually pays between $12 to $25 an hour, and this is great if you want something that is low pressure and task-based. The next side hustle that you can do on your phone is affiliate marketing. This side hustle works best if you understand how contents work. Affiliate marketing means you are going to recommend a product or tools, and you're going to earn a commission every time someone buys it. That works especially well once you understand content creation, like UGC, for example. And they are a large affiliate marketplace that include ClickBank, my favorite and the biggest one out there, I think, PartnerStack, and Digistore24. I myself have my own affiliate stores down below where I refer products from Amazon that I use and like. And the link is down below if you want to see all the product that I use to film, like my softbox, my camera, my ring lights, and so on. So if you are unsure of which path is right for you, I created a free guide. It's called the Remote Income Roadmap, and that's going to help you choose one path and start the right way. And I'm going to leave the link in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye bye from Mexico. Órale!